Alright, Toyota fans, brace yourselves. Is the super hot 2027 Toyota Corolla GRMN already making waves? It seems like it might have just stolen the show at a Las Vegas dealership event, and the buzz is electrifying. This could be the most thrilling Corolla yet, and you're going to want to know every detail. Just announced, the rumors are swirling, and this could change everything for Toyota enthusiasts. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the 2027 Corolla GRMN might be the hottest hatchback we've seen. And wait until you hear what Toyota could be planning for 2026. Now, let's dive into what makes this revelation so exciting. The 2027 Corolla GRMN might be taking cues from the early 2000s tuner era, but with all the right modern twists. Picture this: 18-inch forged wheels and a stunning bronze, fender vents, and an exposed carbon hood. But here's where things get really interesting. The rear seat delete and those new GR Recaro front seats with extra bolstering suggest a serious commitment to performance. But why is this such a big deal? In the world of Gazoo racing, the GRMN badge isn't just a label, it's a statement. It stands for Gazoo Racing Meister of Nürburgring, a nod to the legendary track in Germany. The only other GRMN model out there is the Yaris, which was limited to just 500 examples and packed with features like all-wheel drive and a close-ratio gearbox. If the Corolla GRMN follows suit, we're in for a treat. Let's put this into perspective. The GR Corolla Circuit Edition was already a rare gem, with its lightweight design and perfect weight balance. Then Toyota went even further with the Morizo Edition, stripping it down to the essentials for a pure driving experience. Now, imagine a Corolla GRMN that combines all these elements into one explosive package. The potential here is incredible, and it could shake up the hot hatch market. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. What does this mean for the future of automotive design and innovation? As we shift towards electrification and autonomous driving, a model like the Corolla GRMN represents a bridge between traditional performance and modern technology. It could spark a new trend, blending the raw excitement of driving with cutting-edge engineering. So, what do you think? Could this leaked Corolla GRMN be Toyota's next big move? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And hit subscribe because next week, I'm breaking down how this could influence Toyota's lineup for years to come.